It's easy to create skills. It sounds like it's hard, but you can actually ask Claude or Craft or Cursor to help you create a skill. So the first example we're going to go through is how I completely automated the case study. So I asked it to help me create a skill, and it did. So in this case, I'm using the Upside MCP, which has all our Salesforce, HubSpot data, all our call recordings, but I also give it Fireflies just in case it needs to go deeper into internal calls. Our MCP only has external calls. And then I did the Slack integration, and I also give it Notion integration. So then it generates the questions, it presents for approval. I then did the case study, I used the questions. Then I just gave it access. Well, the case study was actually recorded, so it ended up in our MCP. And then it researches answers and comes up with actual metrics, and that's using mostly Upside for that. I also gave it the video recording and I asked it to create a video snippet. The customer, and I actually used the exact video snippet it told me, and it was really cool. It also extracted quotes, and then it did a bunch of data validation and enrichment, and then it basically created this in Google Docs. I wanted it to give it to me in a place where I gave it a comment. So then in Google Docs, instead of editing it, I left comments. Then it ended up just taking all my comments and the comments from the customer and making the final one, and then generated the HTML. And in this case, I ended up taking that HTML and putting it in Lovable because we are testing out Lovable. And it just created the case study because the HTML was very close to what our case study looked like. And this is how the case study looked like in the end. These data points, the first two data points were brought up by the Upside MCP. And then the third one came from a call. So someone actually said, hey, we moved from dust to Upside and we're 2x more accurate. But the first two, I was very impressed that it was able to actually come up with these on its own. It had more. It actually gave me, I think, 6 data points. And I thought these two were the best, but I didn't have to go and come up with like my own. Okay, so all the quotes, everything came from it. And I think it was really good. And then it also created these on its own, which I thought was really cool. It basically created the images and stuff, so I didn't have to do anything. These were all created by Cursor.
Okay. Mada, are you still having a human conduct the core interview?
Yeah, I conducted the interview. I think AI could do it, but I think a lot of it is relationship building, and I would not automate that in the near future, even if it was possible to fully automate it, I would say.